Greeting viewers, this is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, head of Krishu, operating partner for Crick Kingdom, Tamil Nadu. Here we launch our 6th video on our online platform Crick Stream by Crick Kingdom. So this video we will be covering the warm-up drills, bowling drills, cool down stretches which we can practice at home. Thank you everyone, parents, students for your overwhelming response on our online coaching platform. So let's stick together, stay positive to fight against the COVID. Enjoy the workout, stay home, stay safe.
Hi guys, this is Nilesh Khilare, Senior Coach, Crick Kingdom, Durga Sports Academy, Hubli. Guys, today we learn some agility exercises. These type of exercises you can do in balcony or terrace. Otherwise, you can do it at home also. So catch me, guys. Do some ladder exercises. Start with the high jump. You should jump on your toes. We should do some shuttle running, and these exercises you should touch the cone every time. Ready? Start. Now we do some zigzag running.
Hello all, I am Ram Kumar, Head Coach, Krishu's Crick Kingdom Cricket Academy. In this video, I am going to talk about how to bowl off spin and drills related to that. Shall we get into it? These are very important for you to practice off spin at home. What you have to do is take the ball, hold it the way you deliver the ball, and then keep spinning it like this. This will give you a kind of a muscle memory to your fingers. This will ensure that you will be able to spin the ball the way you want it. Look it closely. And also one more exercise you can do with respect to the off spin. If you have a door with a cylindrical knob, you can hold that knob and keep turning like this. This will give you more feel as good as holding a ball, which will be very useful for you to bowl in the nets as well as in the matches. After holding the ball, the second most important factor for an off spinner is that at the time of delivery, the hand has to be straight. This will give you a better control over your flight and the place where you want to deliver the ball. If the hand is slightly bent, then it will be very difficult for you to flight the ball. So any kind of spinner should ensure that his hand comes as straight as possible, and also most important thing is, if your shoulder comes closer to the ear, then it will be difficult for you to bend your hand. So that is one of the very important aspect of spin bowling. Thank you.
The underarm pickup and throw. Generally, this is underarm pickup and throw is done when the target is very close to you. The few techniques which you need to be doing it, it will be helping you to do it the right way. Now, first and foremost thing is, when you are going in for underarm pickup and throw, you need to keep yourself very low, because since the target is very close, if you just stand up and do it, you will not be able to hit the target. Very important thing here is you need to keep yourself low. Thing is, you are taking a pickup and throw here, and you are taking the ball in your palm, taking this back swing and throwing it to the target. Important thing here is, you need to keep your palm behind the ball first. Second thing is, the backswing is like what you do when you are batting. The backswing is very important. It has to be taken. And third most important thing is, when you effect your throw, this elbow should not be bent. If the elbow is kept straight, you are going to hit the target wherever you require. And when you are keeping yourself low, and it is bound to hit the target. Fine. Now we have shown you the technique of underarm pickup and throw with a static ball. Now we are going to the extension of the same with a rolling ball which is coming towards you. How you need to keep yourself low and how it has been affected. Just see that through straight. Yeah. Yeah. The first step is, yes, you are going to hold your palm behind the ball. Second thing is, here you are going to take a backswing. Third is your throw with your arms kept straight. One more time. Yeah.
Friends, you will agree with me that good fielding needs to be backed up by good, powerful and accurate throw. In this video, we will break up the overarm throw technique. You need to get on the side-on position on a stable base with the elbow back and up above the shoulder. Moreover, the front arm or the non-throwing arm should be aiming and reaching towards the target. Friends, we need to collect, shift base, transfer the weight and drive the back leg towards the target.
I am Mayur, cricket coach from Prithvi Sports Zone Presence Cricket Kingdom. Today I am going to show you how to do partner stretching.